Yeah, I'm totally hello! Thank you, yes. Hello, welcome. Thank you. Thank you, yes. Welcome. Shut up! Right. Welcome to Tuesday Night Tins. Today's tin, this will make George Callum on the Discord very happy. Today's tin is a Neon Raptor, Wrapped O's, Double Stout, Cereal Marshmallow Stout. Oh, I need nails. I can't open these tins anymore. I keep chewing my nails. You can see my Chidzvidz in the background. I put it there. I didn't realise I was going to be covering it the whole time. Anyway, let's give this the old pour, shall we? That sounds good. Because it's right next to the microphone. Might be a bit too loud. Oh, shit! Oh, that's very close. It's gone over. It's gone over. Oh, wow. That's nice. George, I can see what you mean now. Nice and sweet. That reminds me of the Nightmare on Elm Street one that I have downstairs. I never know what to say, these things. God damn it. I should write some things like to say and stuff, but you know, I haven't got much of substance to say anyway, to be honest. At least I don't feel like I have. This is still weird to me. Filming myself is weird. Filming my life is weird. Making vlogs out of it is still a little bit strange. Still managed to do it though. I always filmed myself, but it was usually like skits. Now I'm getting a bit older and it's much more difficult to film skits by yourself. So, you know, I'm more like just filming my life and making fun of that. Great, I've made a right mess of this. You can definitely taste the marshmallow, which is what the Nightmare on Elm Street one was. And I believe that was Neon Raptor too, so that's probably this one renamed, actually. It's slightly less sweet. It might not be as strong either. This is a 8%. 8% alcohol. I should slow down a bit. If you got a sweet tooth, yeah, I recommend this one. It's really good. What's your like god tier go-to sweet tooth like desserts? I guess mine would be I drank the Battenberg the other day, the Battenberg one. And that's not on video, but yeah, I guess my go-to like sticky toffee pudding. Yeah, that being god tier, sticky toffee pudding. The one from Co-op is amazing. I always get that and custard or ice cream, like just vanilla ice cream to blob on top of it. Obviously, Ben and Jerry's ice creams. If you watch my videos, you've seen Ben and Jerry's pretty much in all my videos. Yeah. Yeah. What's your go-to? Don't say chocolate eclair. That is the most pointless dessert ever. It's literally just fried pastry dough. It's just fried, squeezed out into a fryer like the shape of a penis, and then you fill it with cream and put chocolate on the top of it. It's literally just a receptacle for fresh cream. Like, you could put fresh cream on anything and it'll taste better. It's so bland. It's like cardboard. The dough, I mean the pastry dough or whatever the hell it is. It's just so bland. I don't get it. I love cream though, and I love chocolate, so it's not like I don't pick them up, but I always pick one. I always eat it and go, what is the point of this thing? You could put that cream and that chocolate on a Tesco value digestive and it would taste better. If you like chocolate eclairs, I don't know what to tell you. Like, yeah, tell me, debate it. Why chocolate eclairs? Why not something else? So I'm thinking this vlog that I just filmed will be my last one for a couple of weeks. I'm going to Bloodstock, and I might do some like videos like this, although I don't know why, because I haven't got much to say. But I might do some videos like this, like maybe one about Bloodstock, on the lead up, but I'm going to take a couple of weeks off. I don't want to burn myself out on it. I do kind of enjoy it, but you know, I'm doing like, I have a full-time job. I have this house. I can't, like, I just don't have the time, and maybe I should be doing some extra shifts at work to help pay for this new camera, because that one's not going to last much longer. Listen to this. And that's just when I turn it on, and then you got that thing that I sometimes have to deal with. Anyway, it's still Saturday. It's Saturday as I film this. I just got back from Bangor, where I bought a TV unit, and this is all in the last vlog if you want to see it. But I bought a TV unit and some stuff for the house. I got a really nice egg basket, which I thought was really cool. Anyway, here's the other stuff that I bought at the charity shops that I didn't put in the vlog. Now, this isn't a good film. Not saying it is, but the first one is the Hitman's Bodyguard is a good film. I have that on Blu-ray. But the Hitman's Bodyguard's wife, or Hitman's wife's bodyguard, or whatever. I wasn't really gonna buy that, but for £1, I got both of them on this. And you know, I got the first one on Blu-ray, and now I got the second one. So at least the collection is complete, I guess. What else we got? I don't know why I bought this. I bought a SCART lead in case the one I have breaks, because I have 2 video players. I might get another cheap TV just in case, like an old one that still have all the old SCART socket things in them. I know I'm looking down. The camera is a bit higher up than I'm used to, so maybe I need to be looking up. Anyway, what else do we get? Sopranos Series 2. I'm hoping to finish this collection soon so I can watch them again, because I haven't watched them since 2019. This will always remind me of complete and utter freedom from the time I quit my job and I had money in the bank and I had nothing to worry about. Just pay my mum rent every month and just bugger off in the car. And I drove up to Scotland and did the North Coast 500. And, you know, during times when I was home, I even had a song for it. I'd go... Woke up this morning, had a cup of tea. Because I'd like have a cup of tea, and I'd go back upstairs and I'd start watching Sopranos, and that's how I got through it. The ending of this is amazing. I think it's one of the best endings to a TV show ever. It's debatable. I saw Family Guy taking the piss out of it before I actually saw this, so I knew it was going to cut to black, but I didn't know how. And I didn't know how far into the last episode I was when it was happening. When I realised, like, oh my god, it's going to cut to black here. I just thought it was an incredible ending to a show. Anyway, so I got season 2. Yeah, I'll have to have a look, see which ones I'm missing. What else did I get? Chopsticks. They're only £1. I've got like 2 pairs anyway, but, you know, never enough chopsticks. I also bought Seinfeld season 8. I think I got quite a few. There are 1, 2, 4, whatever. I've got a few seasons of that now, so that collection is getting closer to ending as well. I bought Saturday Night Fever because it was the 30th anniversary edition, so it probably has more special features. This is actually a double disc. The one I've got downstairs is a single disc, so I can take that cover and add that to whatever I add it to. That might be what the epoxy resin I bought is for. Who knows? It is. That's what it's for. And to make it 3, because it was 3 for £1, I bought Wacky Races Volume 1. Drat! So, yeah. Oh my god, there's 11 episodes on it. That's pretty cool. 11 episodes. I wonder how many volumes of this there are then. So, yeah. What else? Did we buy anything else? Got a bunch of receipts in there. Oh yeah, the egg basket, which is pretty cool. I love the egg basket. Oh, there's still some of this in the can. Need to clean the desk now because, well, the chest of drawers now. Look, I'll have a better background soon. This is going to go downstairs by the fireplace. I just need to get a desk. I got closer today with the TV unit. I put all my computer systems on it, and I haven't set the TV up yet. I need to put the new stand up. It's just kind of balancing on the old one at the moment, which isn't bolted down, so I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't fall overnight. Let's discuss Sinead OConnor for a minute. That woman was in her mid-20s when she went on Saturday Night Live in 1992, held up a picture of the Pope and ripped it to shreds after singing Bob Marley's War. A cappella, I think it was. Yeah, it was a cappella. And yeah, she fooled the Saturday Night Live production into believing that she was going to hold up a picture of a child because she needed them to zoom in on the picture. Otherwise, her ripping it up would make no sense to the viewers at home because they'd just see a picture being ripped up. But she had them cleverly zoom in on it, and of course they had no idea it was going to be a picture of the Pope. That was very controversial back then. I suppose it'd be very controversial right now. She ripped it up and said, "Fight the real enemy," and to complete silence because the production obviously didn't press the applause sign, so nobody applauded when she finished. So she tears it up, says, "Fight the real enemy," and the crowd is just silent. She blows out candles and it just fades to black, goes to break. Incredible stuff. She was a brave human being, you know. She got a lot of backlash for that. Joe Pesci, the week after, I was watching this on YouTube the other day. Joe Pesci's joking about he'd like to smack her around. That does not date very well. She was a strong woman back in the 90s when it was difficult to be a strong woman. So, and obviously her cover of the Prince song, "Nothing Compares to You." That was originally sung by Prince. I think I put up on my Instagram a clip from a really good podcast that I enjoy. It's called 60 Songs That Explain the 90s. It was so popular, he's still going. In fact, he's just done his 100th episode, 101st episode. His 100th episode, I think, was one of my favourite songs as a kid, actually. And his too, which is why he made it the 100th. Which is, oh my god, I've drawn a blank on one of my favourite songs. Can't believe it. What a tit. Yeah, he did an episode, 100th episode, on Birdhouse in Your Soul by the Neon Raptors. I genuinely almost said the Neon Raptors, and now that my brain's gone completely, They Might Be Giants. That's not even close, mate. They Might Be Giants. I guess because giant dinosaurs were giants. I don't know where I came up with the Neon Raptors. It sounds like a really great 90s group, though, doesn't it? The Neon Raptors. Jesus Christ, Ben. Yeah, I think maybe I'll have one more tin. This has got me a bit merry. Not drunk, just merry. It's making me want another one. Maybe I'll grab another tin. Yes, that is very much like the Nightmare on Elm Street one. The Sweet Dream Child, or whatever it was called. I can't remember. I have goals for this channel. I'm not necessarily slowing down anytime soon, although I am going to take a break for a few weeks. But I will be back, and I'll probably still do the Tuesday night tins videos. But I just want to get a couple of videos ahead in case I need a break for whatever reason, and then I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I do kind of have goals for this channel. I'm thinking hopefully if the subscriber numbers keep going up, I might be able to monetize it, and that might help pay for the camera that I need. Also, I need software for the computer, like a graphics card, so I can render video faster, because if I film on the iPhone, it's a nightmare to render. That's nice. I really like that one. Yeah, so after Bloodstock, I've got a couple more gigs coming up. I'm going to see Signs of the Swarm at the end of August, and I'm going to go see Lorna Shore at the beginning of December. I have absolutely no holidays left. That's what I reckon. You know, that Australian chef guy is coming here and doing a few dates, but he's not playing anywhere close on days when I can actually go to see him. Like, I think he's in Manchester on like a weekday, and it's just not feasible for me to travel there, travel back the same night, then have like 2 or 3 hours sleep, and then do an 11-hour shift. Like, no thanks. So the luckily the Signs of the Swarm gig is on a Thursday, so I can either have the Friday off, or I can just go in for the 6 hours. That's more, you know, that's more doable than an entire like 11-hour shift. I'm too old, man. And the Lorna Shore one, I think, is on a Sunday or a Saturday even, which is even better because I can make an entire day of it if Matt is up for that, of course. I think he's actually just texted me. He did, yeah. He did text me. Ouch. That's my laptop. I guess that's it for this one. Rambling nonsense. I don't know. Are these even enjoyable? I don't know. Like, I'll you know, people seem to watch it. Look, this channel, like, if this channel wasn't growing, I would have stopped quite a while ago. But because it's still growing, it you know, it kind of says like, well, you know, something you're doing is at least entertaining because people are tuning in. Whether you're laughing at me, with me, doesn't matter, as long as you're laughing and having fun. But I'm a little burnt out, just a little bit. So I'm gonna take the like 2 weeks or a week off, and so the next like proper vlog you'll see will be the Bloodstock one, just so I don't get burnt out, you know, because I'm enjoying this, and you know, it's supposed to be a bit of fun, some kind of hobby, something for me to do. I've made a lot of friends through doing this as well. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and you know, reaching out and joining the Discord or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this off now. Really enjoyed this one. In my Neon Raptor glass, no less. I'll catch you at the next one. Cheers.